what is Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP). It is a method that is needed in manufacturing, distributions, or service organization for effective planning and controlling all the resources in taking, make, ship, and account for customer order. ERP software package solution is to create a seamless integration of all information flow through the company such as financial, human resources, supply chain, as well as customer information. An integrated ERP system will have an effective communication among marketing, sales, quality control, product processes, supply line, store, and others. For example, ERP technology use electronic data interchange (EDI). It is used for transaction between and within organizations such as monitoring inventory level, accessing marketing data, placing order directly with manufacturer, and controlling inventory level. However, for small and medium enterprise SMEs in Malaysia are primarily based on annual sales turnover and total time. SMEs can be separated into four main sectors such as general business function, manufacturing, operations, and agriculture. To adopt the technologies of ERP become more efficient and effective, the SMEs need to do a plan and initiative to make a change in the business or organization. For instance, the decisions of the SMEs to use the ERP system will become the work easier to collect and store data. Most companies was depending on ERP systems such as SAP, Oracle, and others. SMEs need to use their ERP software in order to support the needs of manufacturing.
The highest frequency of all ERP systems supporting lean manufacturing in SMEs is information management practices. ERP can be seen as a large-scale software framework for connecting all parts of the organization and supporting business processes of best practice. For decision-making and executing tasks on time, constant information flow between business functions is essential. Therefore, companies require an effective information system that can deliver the correct information at the right time, offering significant benefits to the company in the competitive environment. As a direct result of the ability of ERP systems to collect data and enhance the ease of exchanging information, many other benefits typically result from its use. ERP systems continually increase the productivity of SMEs by removing the need for multiple entries of similar data, reducing the probability of errors and inconsistencies.
The next point is that Kanban system can support lean manufacturing in SMEs. The Kanban system is among the TPI's very major element and which is useful and concise way to accomplish the lean practices of full concept. Back then, inventory was manually monitored rather than using the ERP system. With the latest technology of ERP, this will remove the issue of missing inventory records in the ERP system. It also avoids purchasing the wrong item at the wrong time. The physical card and signboards of Kanban are basically substituted with the electronic version in this electronic ERP system. This electronic visual card demonstrates when the time has come to acquire more material for manufacturing or distribution, which is like the traditional Kanban. This technology allows the modern concept of ERP and Kanban provide a benefit to a manufacturing facility. Besides, the ERP system barcode and database are often used to monitor performance and inventory production, which enabling the workers to track the production from any place at any time. It could contribute to create better purchase plan and production plans.
Innovation improvement practices are the third highest frequency among all the ERP systems supporting lean manufacturing in SMEs. An ERP system is giving all the entities within the organization and the ability to share and view the desired information. Thus, by using ERP system, manufacturing in SMEs can do any innovation improvement after revise all the data and eliminate unnecessary data. Besides that, ERP systems are consistently improving any SME's company to reduce the possibility of error and inconsistently reduce time spent on needless phone calls. The innovation improvement practices have made manufacturing become lean, and it can help the process of work become smooth. Therefore, a manager needs to access the performance data and performance dashboard to provide the access to information as it's required on any work that needs an improvement. Lastly, in innovation improvement practices, not only can be developed to support lean manufacturing in SMEs by using ERP system, but it also can provide the best practices down to the work instruction level as to maintain in a good performance.
Customer relationship practices are the fourth highest frequency among all of the ERP system lean manufacturing in SMEs. It is to increase profitability and make the manufacturing become lean. The combination of ERP and customer relationship management system are being used. By making business processes more efficient, ERP reduces the amount of capital spent on those processes and interact with customers and make a product based on their requirement. CRM has helped in increasing the profits by producing greater sales volume, which is a standardized repository of customer data. It's easier for everyone, from executive to sales representative, to improve customer relations. The goal of CRM is they want to provide comprehensive store of customer data that can be used to increase sales, improve customer retention, and make customer relations more efficient. CRM is the engine that drives a business and make it become leaner.
Process efficient and effective. With the implementation of ERP system, the system got very positive feedback, which is the ERP system able to support manufacturing industries to become more lean and agile. The system also can effectively to respond to the customer requirement and give an added value along the supply chain. By practicing ERP system, the organization also able them to improve their manufacturing and operation system, help reducing their existing operation costs, and can improve their quality and delivery service. An effective ERP system also should be able to support the organization, product data management, line design, forecasting, and scheduling to help them generate an accurate, timely, and consistent information to improve their process of the organization.
In conclusion, lean manufacturing has been successfully integrated with ERP software as a best-of-breed approach useful to many SMEs and other manufacturers. It describes how ERP and lean manufacturing have been implemented in various ways. ERP systems were considered an obstacle to lean manufacturing efforts and were criticized for encouraging large inventories and slower production. In more recent years, it has become apparent that SMEs must seek the best of both worlds and use the benefit of ERP and retain the similarity provided by lean. By linking ERP and lean methods can lead to competitive advantage as demonstrated in several software solutions offered by vendors. These tools represent the future of SMEs and their use of ERP.